When we interviewed freshers in my earlier roles, we would usually form an impression within the first 10 to 20 seconds. Not the final decision, but definitely an impression. And surprisingly, it was rarely about marks or grades. It was communication. For example, one candidate would walk in and say, "Myself Rahul, I completed my engineering in so and so. My hobbies are so and so." And immediately, the answer started feeling rehearsed, weak, and uncertain. Then another candidate would come in and simply say, "Good morning, I'm Rahul, a final year engineering graduate, and I've really been interested in so and so." Same qualifications, same degree, but completely different impact. That's what people don't realize. Communication is not just English. It's clarity, it's confidence, it's how you carry your thoughts. So before interviews, don't only prepare answers. Practice how you deliver them too, because people notice that much earlier than you think. If this helped, please do comment, share this video, like and follow our channel.